Hello, everybody. This is Mr. Covert, your computer science teacher. I just wanted to give you a quick video tutorial on what your work looks like this week and how to do it. So here's the assignment. You are working right now, or should be, on the Maze Game and Video Game Documentary 1 assignment under Remote Learning. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And so there's two parts to this assignment. Part one, you're creating a maze game, and these are specifications of what that maze game should look like and where to actually put it in Scratch. So you're using Scratch in order to make a maze game, and I'll give you an example in a moment. Part two, you're watching a documentary on video games, and you're writing a reflection. So that's part two. Part three, you're actually going to check in with me. Please check in with me if you haven't already, and just let me know where you're at with your work. You can just let me know that you are working on it, or you can simply just turn in your assignment by the due date. So there's a couple of resources. So there's the Scratch login here. You can also look for what other people have done. There's also, this is where you're going to complete your reflection. So this is actually where you're going to turn in your reflection work. And then there's a tutorial on how to use Scratch to make a maze game. And then here's the actual documentary that you're going to be doing or watching. So let's go over part one. So the maze game, you are basically going to, it's kind of like Pac-Man. So you're making something that kind of looks like Pac-Man. And so there'll be one sprite that is going to be chasing another sprite. Or you can do it so that you are moving one sprite and you have to get to another sprite. So let me show you an example of what that might look like. So here's an example of a maze game, and I'll just play this for you. So as I am using my arrow keys, I'm going to move the cat through the maze. And you can make this maze as complicated as you want or as simple as you want. So now I'm going to look inside and just kind of show you what the code looks like. So there's lots of different options that you can use to make your maze, but essentially what this person did is they put a picture as a background for their maze, and then they were able to add code so that your sprite can move to get to the tomato or apple. So you want to start with when the green flag is clicked. And then you can use background changes, so looks, that's the purple. You can use sensing, so you can use control commands that cause things to loop. You can, you're definitely going to be using the XY coordinates, and I'm seeing if I'm missing anything else. You can also use events, so events will help you with this as well. And so for every sprite, there's different codes, as you can see. So you can take a look and do that. So that is how you essentially make your maze. And the video tutorial will walk you step by step through that. The second part of your assignment, so if I go back to the assignment, is the video game documentary and reflection. And basically, you are going to watch this video, so Rise of the Video Game, level 1, and then you're going to click on this document here, and you're going to write your reflection based on those questions. So here is my reflection. You can just type right in that document, and I'll just unhighlight that. And then you can submit it. And then again, make sure that you are checking in with me before this week is up. All right, if you have any questions, please email me, and I'm here to help you. Adios for now.